Hello guys.
Hello.
Nakakuha kami fortune cookies sa accommodation niya.
Be a friend and you will have one. Yun yung sa akin. Ikaw.
The bread.
Kain muna bago ano.
The bread is alright. Mine is a good example is the best sermon.
What's the best what?
Sermon. Ano yung sermon?
Sermon.
May pagalitan?
I guess so. I don't know.
So yan guys. Today, we're going to have a random date. Mansari date. Na super late. Found a charity shop here. Titignan natin kung mayroong magandang mura. Yep. So now we're inside the train and we're looking for restaurants na aming kakainin. Try ko kaya mag-English vlog. Ang hirap na. Yun. "20 minutes have passed by." Kami na train lahat, nakapunta namin Baker Street, pero up until now hindi pa kami nakakahanap ng pagkain.
Alam mo na to?
Nope. Diyan tayo gusto mo kumain?
Hindi, naisip ko naman ng ganito. I don't really know.
Ang hirap. Ito yung pinakamahirap na part sa pangkain eh. Maingay na guys. Singapura yan. It is in Soho. Hindi namin alam kung tama yung pagkabigkas namin, pero yun, kung ganun yung spelling niya, Singapura.
It might be kasi syempre Singapore, diba Singa? So Singapura. Alam nga naman Singapura. But ito, ayan no, Singapura.
Yeah. So as of the moment, yung ambience naman niya, it's really nice. And
very Asian.
oh, nagbibigay sila ng free ganito tissue pero nasa loob siya ng plastic. Ang aming kakainin today is Deluxe, and it's our first time in a Singapore cuisine, in pork chop here, and hopefully it would taste good. How was it?
Iba yung expect ko yung pork chop. Like, yung, ito parang katsu pero pork.
Ano lasa yung sauce?
Parang sweet and sour.
Ako naman, re-review ko tong ano to, ramen soup nila. Laksa soup. Amoy ano siya, Ginataang hipon.
That's what it did. Yeah. For me, I was like, oh, because it's my favorite scene.
May squid ball siya. Tapos meron siyang a bit spice. And then yung fishy flavor niya from the prawns. It's okay. Kakain muna kami guys.
Gonna let you go to come down. Feels like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. No. Right now, living like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go.
Ito na po. Ang taba-taba.
Di na ako makahilo pa ako.
Ang taba-taba. Hindi niya masarado yung jacket niya. Wala naman.
A few moments later.
We're here. Tapos na kaming kumain. Naghanap kami ng seats outside para kainin yung Dubai chocolate na binili namin kanina sa off-license. Kakain namin dito. Hindi namin alam kung saan restaurant.
Let me crack it.
Wink.
But it's good.
Don't you know, we all need someone to love, need someone to make it feel like home. You make me feel like home. You bring me up when I hear only radio side.
After na to, punta kami photo booth kasi plan namin every month, the whole year, meron kami photo booth pictures. Dun, tatapusin lang namin tong chocolate.
Ubus na to?
Hindi.
Never let go. Right now, you hit me like chemicals. Right down, I'm never gonna let you go. To come down, feels like a bitter antidote. Right now, hit me like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go. To come down, like a bitter antidote.
Dito kami sa Life for Cods. Daming tao. Inside the booth, sabi, no selfie, pero makulit tayo. And yun. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Again, this is Gab Lozano. Thank you for watching. Kita-kits ulit sa next vlog. Peace! Naglalakad kami, may nakita kami artista.
Ata.
Ata. Ito sila guys.